Welcome to the Sahara Desert, a place of immense scale and stark beauty. A sea of sand stretching as far as the eye can see, sculpted by the relentless winds into ever-shifting dunes. But beneath this seemingly barren facade, the Sahara holds secrets, whispers of a very different past. Evidence buried beneath the dunes tells a tale of a very different Sahara, a landscape that was once teeming with life, crisscrossed by rivers and dotted with lakes. Join us now as we journey back in time, peeling back the layers of sand and time to uncover the astonishing secrets of the Sahara, a place that challenges our assumptions and reminds us of the incredible power of nature to shape our world. Our journey begins in the heart of the Sahara, surrounded by towering dunes, an environment seemingly devoid of water. Yet, etched into the very rock formations, we find unmistakable signs of a very different past. These dry valleys, known as wadis, were once carved by the flow of mighty rivers. Imagine these silent valleys filled with the roar of rushing water, carving through the sandstone, shaping the landscape over millennia. These weren't mere trickles, but powerful rivers, their presence evidenced by the smooth, water-worn pebbles scattered across the desert floor. And where there were rivers, there were lakes, vast bodies of water that supported a rich diversity of life. The discovery of ancient fish skeletons, perfectly preserved in the now arid earth, confirms the existence of these prehistoric lakes. These weren't creatures adapted to desert life, but fish that would have thrived in freshwater, their presence hinting at a very different Sahara. Using modern technology, scientists have peered beneath the surface, using radar to map the terrain below. What they discovered astonished the world: vast aquifers, hidden beneath the sand, remnants of a time when rainfall was plentiful and the water table was high. These underground reservoirs, some of them larger than entire countries, are a lifeline for the desert, a hidden source of life in this arid environment. These aquifers are not just relics of the past, they offer a tantalizing glimpse into the Sahara's potential. In some areas, this ancient water is being tapped, brought to the surface to irrigate crops and sustain communities. These oases, bursting with life in the heart of the desert, are a testament to the resilience of nature and the enduring legacy of the Sahara's watery past. But the evidence of this bygone era is not limited to geological formations and underground reservoirs. Across the Sahara, scattered among the dunes and rocky outcrops, we find another compelling piece of the puzzle: fossils. Not just of fish, but of creatures that paint a vivid picture of a lush, verdant Sahara. Imagine herds of giraffes, their long necks reaching high into the branches of acacia trees. Picture hippopotami wallowing in the shallows of freshwater lakes, their grunts echoing across the water. And envision elephants, their massive forms casting long shadows across the grasslands. These creatures, so evocative of the African savanna, once roamed the Sahara. Their fossilized remains a powerful testament to the dramatic transformation this land has undergone. The question that ignited the imaginations of scientists and explorers alike was, what happened? What forces could have driven such a dramatic transformation, transforming a lush, vibrant ecosystem into the arid expanse we see today? The Sahara's secrets are not confined to its natural history. Scattered across this vast expanse like messages from a forgotten time are the remnants of human civilizations, whispers of societies that once flourished in this now challenging environment. Imagine traversing the seemingly desolate landscape, the wind whistling through the dunes when you stumble upon a collection of weathered stones, their shapes too deliberate, too intricate to be mere acts of nature. These are the ruins of ancient cities, their very existence a testament to human ingenuity and adaptability. These weren't nomadic tribes barely scraping by, but sophisticated societies that thrived in the heart of the Sahara. Archaeological excavations have uncovered the remnants of homes, marketplaces, and even grand public buildings, all constructed from mud, brick, and stone, materials sourced from the surrounding environment. One of the most compelling pieces of evidence pointing to the existence of these lost civilizations is the discovery of rock art, a visual language etched into the very fabric of the Sahara. These intricate paintings and engravings offer a glimpse into the lives and beliefs of the people who once called this desert home. Imagine standing before a towering rock face, its surface adorned with a menagerie of animals, elephants, giraffes, and even swimming figures, their forms brought to life by pigments derived from natural minerals. These paintings, some dating back thousands of years, tell a story of a time when the Sahara was a very different place. The presence of aquatic animals in these ancient artworks provides further evidence of a wetter, more hospitable Sahara. It's a poignant reminder that the desert we see today was once a landscape of lakes and rivers, a place where people lived in harmony with nature. Evidence suggests that they were interconnected by a network of trade routes, crisscrossing the Sahara and linking the Mediterranean coast with sub-Saharan Africa. These routes, marked by ancient caravan trails and dotted with oases, facilitated the exchange of goods, ideas, and culture, shaping the course of history. Imagine the bustle of these ancient trade routes, caravans laden with exotic goods, gold, ivory, salt, and spices, traversing the vast expanse of the Sahara. These journeys, fraught with danger and uncertainty, were a testament to the human spirit of exploration and the pursuit of connection. The decline of these once thriving civilizations is a stark reminder of the power of climate change. As the Sahara gradually dried, the delicate balance that sustained these societies was disrupted. The story of these lost civilizations is a poignant reminder of the interconnectedness of human societies and the natural world. The Sahara, as we've seen, was not always a desert. It underwent a dramatic transformation, a slow, inexorable shift from a verdant landscape to the arid expanse we see today. What forces could have driven such a profound change, reshaping an entire continent? The answer lies in the complex interplay of Earth's climate system, a delicate balance of atmospheric and oceanic currents that dictate rainfall patterns across the globe. The Sahara's transformation is linked to a phenomenon known as orbital forcing, subtle shifts in Earth's orbit and tilt that occur over millennia. Imagine our planet spinning through space, its axis tilted at an angle. This tilt, along with the elliptical shape of Earth's orbit, causes variations in the amount of solar radiation received at different latitudes throughout the year. These variations, though seemingly small, have a profound impact on Earth's climate. Around 8,000 years ago, Earth's orbital configuration resulted in the northern hemisphere, where the Sahara is located, receiving slightly more solar radiation during the summer months. This increased solar energy intensified the African monsoon, a seasonal wind system that brings life-giving rains to the region. The strengthened monsoon brought increased rainfall to the Sahara, transforming it into a lush, green savanna. Rivers flowed, lakes formed, and vegetation flourished, creating the ideal conditions for a diverse array of plant and animal life to thrive. But like all things in nature, this period of abundance was not destined to last. As Earth continued its celestial dance through space, its orbital configuration gradually shifted. The northern hemisphere began to receive less solar radiation during the summer months, weakening the African monsoon. The once reliable rains became less frequent and less intense. Rivers began to dwindle, lakes shrank, and the vegetation that depended on this life-giving water began to wither. The Sahara, once a haven for life, was slowly but surely succumbing to the grip of aridification. As the vegetation retreated, the exposed soil became vulnerable to erosion by wind and rain. The fine, loose sand once anchored by plant roots was lifted into the air, carried by the prevailing winds, and deposited elsewhere, gradually forming the iconic sand dunes that dominate the Sahara today. This process of desertification, once set in motion, became a self-reinforcing cycle. The loss of vegetation reduced the amount of moisture evaporated into the atmosphere, further diminishing rainfall. The Sahara, once a green paradise, had transformed into the arid expanse we know today. The Sahara's story is not over. Climate models suggest that Earth's orbital cycles will eventually shift once again, potentially bringing increased rainfall to the region in the distant future. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the hidden secrets of the Sahara Desert. We've delved into its ancient past, uncovering evidence of a time when rivers flowed, lakes shimmered, and life flourished in this now arid landscape. We've explored the remnants of lost civilizations, their art and ingenuity, a testament to the enduring human spirit. The Sahara, far from being a desolate wasteland, is a place of wonder, a testament to the power of nature to both create and destroy. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into our world's most mysterious places. Until next time, keep exploring and stay curious.